Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. We're going to get started off with some really exciting news. As you can see, they fenced off the lift hill of Mindbuster, and that is because they are starting to retrack sections of the lift hill. Now, I don't know if this is going to be an entire retracking. It does not look like it from first glance, but they are retracking sections. For those of you that know, when you ride it, you kind of wobble to and fro. What's the proper saying? I'm not getting it right. That's not right. Oh, God, that's embarrassing. Anyways, the train wobbles going up the lift hill. You all know. And yeah, so it's really exciting that they're doing the lift hill. Kind of thought they would do it a little more in depth just because it had some of the survey markings on the actual structure of the lift hill. Now, that could be later on down, and this could just be temporary what they're doing, especially if it's just these two little sections here. But we'll keep an eye on it. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it's more of the lift hill, even though it's not an important part of the ride. It does not impact the ride experience in the slightest. So I am excited, though, for the fact that they have made some pretty good progress on the layout of Mindbuster. So there is a running rail installed in parts of the helix now as well. So if you look closely, you're going to be like, no, Brennan, it's not. It stops. Well, if you look closely, they've done the left side of the track, a good portion of it for the running rail. A new shipment of running rail has arrived in the back portion of Wonderland's drop-off area, like the lot. The maintenance area, sorry, not drop-off area. I can't show you that. Wonderland does not want specific areas of the park filmed for YouTube right now. But here, in terms of Mindbuster, the running rail is, a lot further along than it was a couple of days ago. So they've made significant progress there. So if you look very closely on the left, you can see that they've made significant progress. And a lot of the ledgers are done. The further support, as you can tell, that's why the woodworkers have moved to the lift hill. So very exciting. Over at Daredeviler, the orange train is on site, as well as Vekoma is on site programming the ride. You can see the little Vekoma uniform down there if you look very closely. And yeah, so we're probably like a couple of days to a week away from the red train running. It is in the station for programming right now, and then they will start to cycle it. In fact, it could be running tonight based off of what I was seeing, as they were heavily on. There were 2 Vekoma personnel as well as the team getting a lot of the lift hill checks done. So who knows? It's going to run any day now. Outside of that, they are still working on programming the emergency evacuation platform or the maintenance platform down there, one of the two. But that platform that does have the potential to rise, they were working on. The jet is not removed yet. This is like a daily jet check at this point. Remember when I called it a B-52 bomber on, I think, and I got dragged, rightfully so. I obviously don't know my jets, but outside of that, Winterfest Storage and Time Warp Station is looking great, guys. But no signs of anything else in these specific areas currently, other than there has been some evidence of tidying up to allow trucks by a lot easier. If you look closely, they've been kind of shuffling around, and there's a reason for that, but we'll keep that to Patreon for now. They are about to start welcoming school groups. That is why those Christmas trees were removed from that building. It has nothing to do with Project 2028 or 2029 or whatever it's going to be. But there is signs of potentially them getting ready to start tidying up or cleaning up the area. We're going to keep a close eye on that, but that's going to be a Patreon update. But I'll give you guys a little. I'll be nice, and I'll give you a little teaser for what I'll be discussing on Patreon tonight. So as you see on the screen, look closely. Awesome. So with that all said and done, we are going to switch over to Patreon for our Patreon update on Kingswood and other sections of the park. So stay tuned. Bye.